Welcome. In front of me I have GIGASET GX190 and I'm going to show you how you can activate Hey Google. You have to go for Google app, find more, move to the settings, pick the voice match and then click on the switcher into the Hey Google. Click next another time, then use the switcher and tap agree. As you can see in my case it's ready, but you will get circle like that and you have to say Hey Google or OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. As you can see, everything is set up, and right now we can easily use our Hey Google feature on the GIGASET GS190. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel.